In high-throughput facilities, laundry containment systems act as the primary interface for material flow. Standard hamper reviews often prioritize aesthetic weave over structural integrity and sanitization stability. This 2026 systems audit evaluates laundry infrastructure through the lens of material fatigue resistance. We benchmarked polymer, cellulose, and textile architectures for volumetric displacement and tensile strength. High-density polymer systems offer superior sanitization integrity due to zero porosity surfaces. Moisture vapor transmission rates, or MVTR, are critical for preventing biological degradation in textiles. We tested tensile integrity under maximum load to identify high-cycle containment solutions. Integrated laundry infrastructure optimizes facility workflow and maintains structural utility over time. Our metrology-first approach identifies true infrastructure solutions for the high-efficiency home. View our 2026 containment guide and verify current Amazon inventory status below.